Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prishita Pathak, and in this video I'm going to be showing you wedding guest makeup tutorial, like when you are invited in a wedding, that kind of makeup tutorial. It is not a dramatic makeup tutorial. You can create this makeup look by your own using some makeup materials. So if you are interested in watching that, then please keep watching. So first I'm going to be applying a primer. This is a Swiss Beauty primer.
It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you.
Then I'm going to be applying this foundation from Maybelline Fit Me. Now I will be applying the concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm gonna apply it under my eyes where I have dark circles. Now I will apply it on my forehead. Applying the concealer on my upper lip and chin area. Also applying it on my cheekbones to give it a sharp look. Then blending it with the beauty blender. Now I'm taking some concealer and putting it on my eyelids to prepare it for eyeshadow. Then blending it too. Then I'm gonna be applying the compact powder to set the foundation and concealer in. This is Faces Canada's compact powder. Here I took a clean brush and I'm lightly patting the powder in to set it nicely. Now I'm gonna move on to the eyeshadows. I'm gonna take this palette from Nykaa. I'm gonna mix this shade, this and this shade from the Swiss Beauty palette. Mixing both of the color and applying them into my crease to form a transition shade. Now I'm gonna take this golden color right here and I'm gonna apply it in the middle of my eyelids. Now I'm gonna take the concealer and apply it like this to give my eyeshadow a wing-like shape. Taking this color and putting it under my waterline. Now next I'm going to be applying the eyeliner. This is a Lakme eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply a kajal pencil. This is a Face Canada kajal pencil. Now I'm going to curl my lashes with the help of a eyelash curler. Now I will apply this Maybelline Sensational Mascara. Now I will be applying eye pencil. Now I'm gonna use this bronzer from Nykaa. Now I'm gonna apply blush. This is a Maybelline Color Show blush. Now I'm gonna apply this highlighter from Nykaa. Now I'm gonna apply lipstick. This is a lipstick from Nykaa. Now my makeup to stay for a longer period of time, I'm gonna apply a setting spray. This is a Mario Badescu setting spray. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. This is an easy makeup tutorial, nothing too much. When you are invited as a guest in a wedding, it is just that makeup. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, bye. I'll see you in the next video.